gentlemen, this is Democracy Manifest.
It just starts off with this poor man and his girlfriend, and they're just watching innocent bystanders to this I don't even know what it, like, I don't even know what he's done to the tap. He's bursted or something somehow under the sink, and it's just pouring out at an incredible rate. This guy, if anyone's seen The Amazing Races, he just looks like the most classic immigrant worker.
INS, la migra! There's 6 of them right here!
It's got this little squeegee. A squeegee, what a ShamWow. He's got a ShamWow. He's trying to clog it up with a ShamWow, I think. And his poor wife, his partner in crime, she's got this contraption which is pretty amazing, I must say. It's a vacuum cleaner for water. And it's doing an alright job at the beginning. You think like, oh, they might have it under control, but it just gets worse. Poor man, he realizes that there's no hope, so he just gets up and runs out the front door, and his wife is there vacuuming it up, and the guy's like, don't bother, don't worry about it, it's not doing anything. And she's like, call the police. Alright, see you next time.